Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll show you how to recover deleted search history on Microsoft Edge. Step 1. Understand the problem. When you delete your search history on Microsoft Edge, it may seem like it's gone forever. However, there's a simple way to recover it. Step 2. Open Command Prompt. 1. Head to your Start menu and search for Command Prompt. 2. Click on the Command Prompt app to open it. Step 3. Use the ipconfig command. 1. In the command prompt, type the following command, ipconfiguration/displaydns. 2. Press Enter on your keyboard. Step 4. View your search history. You'll now see a list of your recent search history, including deleted items. This is a simple way to recover your deleted search history on Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends.